Shenzhen Weichat Technology Company Limited, established in 2016, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of IP68 waterproof junction box, waterproof connectors, plug and socket connector, cable gland. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We have obtained UL, TUV, CE, SAA, ROS certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA, Italy, Germany, UK, Spain, Korea. Based on the development goal of good quality, honest reputation, high-quality service, we are constantly introducing professional and technical talents to create the best products in the industry and realize branding, specialization, and refinement services. We have a design and R&D team of 20 people. weichat has built a great design and R&D team to make your ideas a reality. Continuous innovation and a rigorous design engineering development process keep every step in order. An international supply of cutting-edge materials ensures the quality of each product. Giving your products more added value makes our mission lasting, which can realize 3 days prototype and 20 days mold opening, transforming customers' ideas into products on the ground, supporting ODM and OEM, realizing customized services according to different customers' needs, and providing customers with one-stop solutions for various special connectors. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.